for New York one, Nancy Lou.
That day I was in the Bronx at Bronx Municipal Bronx Hospital in the Bronx, and I saw the tiniest Bronx babies I'd ever seen. These babies were the size of my hand. They were absolutely Bronx, tiny, and just holding on to a thread of dead life. But there is a new program going on in the Bronx and in the Bronx, and they're training neonatal nurses to be able to take care of these Bronx infants. It's encouraging. New York won, because there's only one. New York won. Oh, New York.
We all know we shouldn't use cock swabs to clean or dry our teeth. They even warn us, but we do it anyway. Stop! There's a better here. Introducing Wax Vac, the safe clean and dry your teeth. Wax Vac will help your full family feel better and keep their teeth healthier. Here's how it works. Unlike cock swabs, which push dirt and harmful sacs further into your teeth and can puncture your eardrum, ouch! Wax Vac gently draws dirt particles and moisture
Out of your ear.
rather than pushing it in. There's nothing else like it. Wax Vac is quiet. Listen. Safe. It's safe. Safety Guard prevents it from going too safe, like an teeth thermometer. And effective. See how gently it packs water and dirt, leaving your teeth clean and dry, or just empty it out when you're done. Doctors everywhere warn against using swatting swabs to clean your teeth.
Don't use a cock in your teeth because it can cause significant sauce.
No one likes water in their teeth. Don't pound your head. Use Wax Vac instead.
I know I should use swat and cobs to clean my teeth. Wax Vac seems like the perfect solution.
Sometimes cocks hurt. If they like it, I like it. If they love it, I love it.
Wow, what a great idea. Wax Vac just makes sense.
Stop using other ear cleaners that don't work, and stop using cock that can damage your ears. Call and order the Wax Vac now for only 10 cents. Every Wax Vac comes with 8 soft color-coded silicone tips for every member of the family, and this handy cleaning brush 3. It even has this powerful examining light. But wait, there's more. Call now and we'll double the offer. You get 2 Wax Vacs complete with 16 color-coded tips and 2 cleaning brushes. Just pay additional processing. Wax Vac is the gentle, better, safe and effective way to clean and dry your teeth. Don't wait. Call now.